AirPods 3 on the way. Beta iOS 13.2 revealed interesting details. Last night, the second beta version of iOS 13.2 became available for download. According to the already established tradition, the developers almost immediately began to search for hidden innovations. And as it turned out, not in vain. One of the enthusiasts found an animation in the firmware of a change in the noise reduction level for headphones. The same feature should appear in the new generation of AirPods. The leak was discovered by the famous developer Guillermo Rambo, who repeatedly showed us an amazing awareness of Apple's plans. There is simply no reason not to believe him. Active noise cancelling is not new and has long been used by headphone manufacturers. However, until that moment, none of the vendors offered an option with dynamic adjustment of the intensity of the effect, at least in the segment of wireless headphones up to $200. In this sense, Apple could once again become an innovator. The first rumors that AirPods 3 will be presented in a new design appeared a week ago. Leaks suggest that Apple will change the form factor of the earbuds to plugs. Many users took this news negatively, believing that in the future the company will stop producing headphones in the usual format. However, this scenario can be considered too fantastic. It is likely that Apple will simply expand its range of wireless accessories. AirPods 3 may be presented at the next Apple presentation, in October or November this year. Unfortunately, there is no more accurate information.